Greetings, family. I'm Aleah Gathings with the Believe Ministry, and today I'll be sharing with you a devotional called Praying from the Belly of the Beast. I went down to the land whose bars closed upon me forever. Yet you brought my life up from the pit, O Lord, my God. As my life was ebbing away, I remembered the Lord, and my prayer came to you. My prayer rose to you into your holy temple. Jonah 2, 6 and 7. So friends, we see that Jonah received a call from God, but decided to go another way. Can anybody relate? Jonah heard God's call, but ran to take the next ship headed in the opposite direction. And so when Jonah departed from God's will for his life, both he and those near to him encountered some obstacles, some real life challenges. They encountered life-threatening winds and choppy waters. They were met by a storm. Jonah was tossed overboard and he was swallowed by a great fish. And so from the belly of the beast, from the belly of the fish, Jonah remembered the Lord and Jonah prayed. I think Jonah learned to pray in a place he had never prayed before, from within the great fish. Jonah also learned to pray in a way he had never prayed before. He learned to pray literally for his life, from the belly of Sheol, the pit of death. But Jonah also learned that there's no pit that he could get himself into that is beyond the long arm reach of God's hand. And so, friends, there's no pit from which our call cannot reach God's ear. There's no place from which God cannot deliver us. All we need to do is pray and believe. Friends, don't doubt, just believe. And I leave you with this invitation. Whatever level your prayer life is at, there's a standing invitation for you to go deeper in prayer. And I invite you to read the short book of Jonah, only 4 chapters, and may we together rediscover the power of prayer. Amen.